こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Today grammar video number 14 of JLPT N4. Let's learn five different meanings of this verb. できます。The first meaning is can do, to be able to do. But I already made the video about this meaning できます in my grammar video number 83 of JLPT 5. So I'm not going to explain much about this, but just to remember you, noun ができます。For example, 日本語ができます。It means I can Japanese or I can speak Japanese. In the case of the verbs, we must use dictionary form and ことができます。Dictionary form and こと, it means this is like a noun because we nominalize the verb.For example, I can swim. 泳ぎます. This is the verb to swim. And this is the first group. 泳ぎます with that mas. And this gi must be the sound of u. So, かぎがぎぐ。泳ぐ。泳ぐことができます. I can swim. If you want to know more details about this, you can watch my grammar video number 83 of JLPT N5.But now, the second meaning of this できます in this case, to be built. In this case, the structure is some place に the particle に something ができます A new convenience store is built near my friend's house. 友達の家を友達の家の近くに新しいコンビニができました。私の友達の家の近くに新しいコンビニができました。A high building is built next to the post office. Next to some place or in the neighbor of some place, we say の隣に郵便局の隣に高いビルができました。郵便局の隣に高いビルができました。Very delicious 居酒屋 is open in front of the station. I use the word to be open because in this case, this sounds more natural, but we use できます in the same way. 駅の前においしい居酒屋ができました。駅の前においしい居酒屋ができました。Now, the third meaning of できます in this case, to be ready, to be done, to be finished.Breakfast is ready now. 朝ごはんがもうできましたよ。朝ごはんがもうできましたよ。I've already finished all of my homeworks. So, can I play games? Here we use できます the meaning finished. 宿題ができました。I finished my homeworks.To ask for the permission, we use てもいいですか? て form of the verb てもいいですか? If you don't remember, you can watch my grammar video 65 of JLPT N5. And ゲームします to play games. So, ゲームしてもいいですか? Can I play? ゲームしてもいい? もう宿題が全部できましたからゲームしてもいいですか？もう宿題が全部できましたからゲームしてもいいですか？ Now let's repeat the same sentence but in the casual way. もう宿題が全部できたからゲームしてもいい？もう宿題が全部できたからゲームしてもいい？ Dinner will be ready soon. The adverb soon. もうすぐ、もうすぐ。もうすぐ晩ご飯ができますよ。もうすぐ晩ご飯ができますよ。As this is a conversation at home, so I'm gonna tell you the same sentence but in the casual way. もうすぐ晩ご飯ができるよ。もうすぐ晩ご飯ができるよ。The third meaning of できます is to be made. We are talking about the materials or ingredients. This toy is very well made. In this meaning, we must use something はできています。This is different, right? Instead of が something は because this is emphasis, emphasizing something は and できています。The T form できて and います。This is the state. このおもちゃはこのおもちゃはとてもよくできていますね。できていますね。このおもちゃはとてもよくできていますね。These cookies are made only with bananas and oatmeal. Oatmeal, we say オートミール。オートミール。Only with something だけで。このクッキーはバナナとオートミールだけでできています。このクッキーはバナナとオートミールだけでできています。I think I had a mistake saying this was the third one, but actually this was the fourth meaning of できます。Something はできています。So you must be careful in this fourth case because subject は and できています。て form and います。And it is made with this, or it is made of this, made from this. Now the fifth and the last meaning of this できます actually there are more meanings, but now in this level it is okay to learn only these 5. Well, できます to conceive a child, to become pregnant. We are struggling to conceive a child. Here I'm gonna use this adverb なかなか and the last part in the negative form. But don't worry, because I'm gonna make a video about this and I'm gonna explain you more in detail. We use this なかなか when I try. I'm trying so hard, but I can't, or it's very hard to get something, or it takes so lots. And in this case, I'm like to be struggling to do something なかなか。子供がなかなかできません。子供がなかなかできません。At last, we are having a baby, or we are having a child. The adverb at last. やっと子供ができました。やっと子供ができました。Before a quiz, I'm going to tell you all again 5 meanings. The first one is ことができます to be able to do something. In this case, the meaning is the same as 可能動詞 potential verb to be able to do, can do. The second meaning to be built. Someplace に somewhere に something ができます or できました。The third meaning is to be prepared, to be ready. The fourth meaning is to be made. In the meaning of this fourth one, we must change the wa, the particle instead of ga, wa, and also できます is not できます but te form and いますできています and the fifth meaning is to conceive a baby, to conceive a child. Now a quiz time with only 3 translations into Japanese, and I want you to use in each sentence this verb できます。1番目 A big library was built next to the park. 2番目 The preparation of the party is done. 3番目最後です。頑張ってね。My little sister or my younger sister couldn't get or couldn't become pregnant for 5 years. Oh, so long. 5 years. But at last she could. Today we learned 5 different meanings of できます. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you wanna help me, please share my videos with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it so that you can learn Japanese with me. いかがでしたか？今日はこの動詞、できますを勉強しました。できます。この動詞にはいろいろな使い方がありますが、今日は特に5つの使い方を勉強しました。このビデオが役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。このように私のチャンネルでは日本語をわかりやすく、詳しく丁寧に説明していっています。もしできれば私のチャンネルをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。お願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。ぜひいらしてくださいね。じゃあね、またね。